Full of spiders. That's so neighborly of you to say. I'm sorry. All right. What are we doing now? You're wearing the same clothes.
No, totally.
Oh my gosh.
I have my sweater on.
That's so true. Well, we definitely filmed this last week or 3 weeks ago. I don't know.
All right, so this one.
This is episode 4 of what?
Toss or treasure.
Toss or treasure. What are we here to do? Gotta tell the people just joining.
Okay, so we have way too much inventory. And we're trying to get through.
See episode 2 if you need proof of that.
Right, and we have a garage full. So we had to empty out our barn so our daughter could get married. So all the inventory had to go to our garage. So now I'm going through our inventory to figure out what has to go back into the barn.
And what needs to go into the landfill.
Right.
No, I'm just kidding.
Okay.
To Goodwill.
So I just want to...
So the last episode we saw some not so lovely things. What's on the top of this box now?
We have a dead spider.
Where's the dead spider?
Right down there.
Oh yeah, look at him.
A bunch of mouse droppings.
Lovely.
And,
it has been in a barn. And this is labeled as lamp, eat sign, weather vane, and inv with a check mark.
And it has nothing of those.
And it has none of the listed items on the front.
Nope.
Took all the time to write this.
Right.
All right.
There's not tons in here, but...
That's okay. It's going to be a short episode. There's going to be long episodes. There's going to be short episodes.
Okay.
What have we got? Oh my gosh.
This is very cool. Wait,
Well,
I gotta...
So this must be an old display, like, from a store, right?
Oh yeah, I think there's two stuck together. But you can't get it off.
What does this say? Sunshine Biscuits.
Yeah, these would go on.
Oh, I love it. From Nabisco. Francisco. Sorry, not Bisco.
These would be really...
That's really cute. What's the bottom say? Loose.
And that's Nabisco.
Loose Wiles Biscuit Company. What was Wiles doing? Why is he so loose?
I have no idea. And this one does not have the glass, but...
Yeah, that's okay.
Wouldn't it be cute to put
adorable.
something in it?
Yeah, that's adorable.
These are really cool.
Nabisco.
So that's a keeper.
That's definitely a keeper, I would say.
Oh, I'm so scared to go in here, but... Oh!
What is this?
Oh my god.
Whoa. Hopalong Cassidy's drinking straws.
Yes.
At home or on the range, they're best.
Yep.
For milk, picnics, ice beverages, bottled... What is this? So...
The straws are
Drinking
still
straws? Oh.
Yeah.
What?
So since my...
Is this
my
literally...
last name, it was Cassidy growing up.
Oh.
so, I mean,
That's why you bought these?
I'm sure. So that's a keeper.
Wow, the straws are still in there.
Right?
Ew. Microplastics much? Yeah, they're not even... Yeah, I would not use them.
Okay, so these are really cute.
That's really cute. Oh, American flags. We already had that episode, but that's okay.
76,
We can do
so
another one.
that should have to go with those.
1776.
The world. Very cute, so that's a keep.
That's really cute. I do like that.
Okay. These.
Oh, what
wait, sorry. Go like this.
Or no. Go put them back on your face.
There you go.
That'll 100% be the thumbnail.
Yeah.
I see you.
And then you would have put those little cards there, and
Oh, is this stereoscopic
vision.
3D, I guess?
Yeah.
Kinda?
so that's kind of cool.
Yeah, that's really cute.
Definitely.
See, this is more like what I think you would pick.
Right.
Not random, like,
The other
big
stuff
rig
is-
trucks. Like, what?
Yeah. It says hope.
Do you feel a lot of hope in this piece? Lasting
Art, a short-term mission trip. Well, okay. So
to
someone.
Haiti?
Yeah. Someone will appreciate that.
Yeah.
I'm not in love with
Someone
it.
took some time with that, but I think it's okay. It's cute.
All right. So.
I already know what this answer is for this one.
Yes. You know.
Near
my
and dear
love
to your heart, Hillsboro Coffee.
coffee, and it's cool.
It's a metal tin.
Right?
It's cute.
Oh, that's a
Yep.
Total keep.
That's a keep. She's a keeper.
Okay, this is so cute. It's like
Oh, it's a silo?
silo. So we
What's-
must have had like a cute
Like
little
pickup
barn.
sticks or something in there?
No, just went with the barn.
Okay.
I would keep that.
Yeah.
It's very cute.
That's very... I like the little...
bad?
The tin toys are just so cute. I don't know.
Okay, and then we
Got a
have
whole, like, dollhouse in there. Like, what...
yeah.
Seriously, this is like a dollhouse.
So this would be a keep.
What is this piece of metal?
They would form shoes.
Oh, another one.
The-
Another
yeah.
one of those.
So
Okay.
that's a metal one. So that.
So why do they have some wooden ones and some metal ones? I guess it just depends on the shoe or what. I don't know. Any shoemakers, and leave a comment down below and we'll find out.
Okay, and then. Ooh, this is
Whoa,
cool.
that is cool. It's it must be a Bible because I see crosses on those
Oh,
sides.
that's beautiful. Look at that.
Yeah, that's pretty. What?
Which I feel sad that it's been sitting in.
What age is that? Like, how old is this?
Email.
Oh
And
my
it's
gosh.
in
What language is that?
I bet you it's German.
That looks German to me, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's beautiful.
What does it say on the side there?
I do not read German.
Biben. Yeah, that's Bible.
Bible.
That's cool.
A definite keeper.
I wonder what year this is. 1865. It says right
Oh,
there.
that's so cool.
1865.
I mean, that's beautiful.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Oh yeah, that's definitely German.
It's Swedish, Noah. It's not German. It's Swedish. You took 4 years of German. How did you not know that? It's Swedish.
I don't know. No, these words I don't know. It looks German. I don't know. I feel so uncultured right now.
Not German. Swedish.
That's really cool. Anyway.
Okay, so I think this is cool. It's just the name of
Oh.
the book. It's probably
Facing Death
That is a-
by Henty.
Yeah.
Facing Death.
but it's a cool. This would be a keeper.
Yeah.
I mean, I would like it for
You would like to...
yeah.
We're not... Yeah, we're just going to move on from there.
Okay. Oh, this tells the history of Vesa.
Oh, cute.
We must have bought extra ones.
Vesa Illustrated, I'm guessing is what it
Yeah,
says. Is this literally
tells-
just illustrations?
It
Oh no, it's
tells
pictures
the
too.
history of Vesa, Minnesota.
Oh, cute.
So
That is really cool.
these I would keep with the
Yeah.
house.
Yeah, 100%. That one probably not even sell.
Yeah. So.
Oh, is this the same thing? Yeah.
Yeah. So
Oh, so cute.
this one might be. Oh, they're all in English. No, this is in Swedish.
Mmm.
Some are in Swedish. Okay, so that was a keep. All right. Oh, and we have a third one. So apparently we hit the
3 of them.
jackpot.
So
No, no, no.
3 dings in a row. Can we get a ding, ding, ding? Wow, it's the Mac Pro. Ha 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 ha. Just kidding. Only nerds
Okay.
will get that joke.
All right, this is very cute.
It's
It
a
is-
cheese. No, it's a cheese grater.
It's supposed to be that, but it's a candle. So you
Yeah.
put a candle in there.
Oh, it's a
for-
candle.
So
Okay.
this is a keep.
Cute.
All right, and then we got our wooden shoes.
There's the wooden shoes.
Yeah, those are really cute.
Those are cool.
All right, so those are a keep.
Yeah. See, this is
Yeah.
like the exact opposite of last episode where everything was just trash.
Okay, this is adorable.
That is really cute.
I have a.
Are you gonna do some tap dances for us?
If only they fit.
Oh man, someone donate some shoes that'll fit. Then we can get some tap dance.
All right, we get another.
Gee, I
Wow.
wonder what she's gonna do
That
with
is a
that.
definite keep.
Yeah.
All right, and then we have.
What
oh,
is-
it's a little sewing kit.
Oh, a little sewing kit. A gift from. Oh
They used
wow.
to give those out.
Back when companies gave a sh.
All right, I'm keeping that for myself.
Yeah, that's cute.
All right.
And yes, I will bleep out the swears. Don't worry.
Oh my God, these are adorable. That's a little pipe or a little toilet.
a little toilet and a little table.
Oh, these are adorable. Okay, I don't know what that is. Okay, and then there's a little baby in here.
Aww.
Aw, if only I had little ones who wanted to play with. Oh, there's a lot of babies in here.
Oh, mommy was busy with daddy. Oh my goodness.
There's a lot of babies.
There's a
Oh,
lot.
look at that. It's an old time, like a radio.
Oh, that's a radio. Oh yeah,
That's cool.
transistor radio.
That's really cute.
That's cute.
All right, I would keep this.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the bathtub. Oh,
Imagine if these were like real things.
look, it's a little sink.
It's cute.
Okay, I'm getting way too excited, but
They're so cute. They're little, but I like them.
oh my gosh, these are adorable. Okay, I don't know what I would do this. They're adorable.
Well, I don't know. Yeah, I mean,
Well, I had grandchildren.
I don't even know if you can see my face in that one, but
All right, this. No idea.
toolbox.
I mean, it's green. It's kind of cool. It's metal.
It's metal. Yeah, toolbox.
Yeah.
Oh, is that like a battery still hanging out there? What is that? Huh.
Oh, you could tell whoever they were firstborn.
Yeah.
Just look.
Yeah.
And then,
I like it.
oh, this that probably one
That
there.
must have fallen. Oh, they're all rusted now. That's the only one that made it because it's still on its clip.
Okay, this is interesting. What is this?
That's glue of some kind or grease? Some kind?
Conoco germ processed light machine grease.
Grease. All right.
I probably wouldn't be keeping that.
No,
However,
you're not a grease monkey.
I would probably clean this out. And
Yeah, that's
then
really cute.
It just could be a cute little.
Well, even if because like you could even just have it propped open like that and
Yeah.
just display stuff in it.
Yeah. It's
Yeah, this was a really good. This was a really good pick. Like a really good haul.
Look at that.
I mean, you could say that poor.
We have
The poor hope sign is just all
No,
by
we have
his
no-
lonesome.
No hope.
This is like episode 2. We just had one trash this time,
Yeah.
or recycle.
So I think we're getting better here.
I think so. I don't know
So-
what was up with that last episode.
Right? Look at these. These are
We
pretty
went
cute.
from mouse to I don't know.
I know.
From mouse to dollhouse. Haha, see what I did there?
Yeah.
Trying to think of something that rhymed really off the top of my head, didn't work.
All right.
Wow. Look at all
So-
these treasures.
Yeah. I think.
I can see what you saw in these pics.
Yeah.
These are great.
There we go.
All right.
Alrighty.
Well, I think that'll do it for, what is this, episode 4. Did you just bow?
No, but that's
I was like, how honorific of you. All right. Anyway,
All right.
any last words to say before we head out?
No, but I'm excited to see some of this stuff that I haven't seen for several years. So.
No mouse droppings of any,
And there was no dead mouse.
no
so
dead mouse,
it's
so
always a win.
we're always good.
Yeah.
All right, well,
All right.
bye